guys, happy Sunday. It is self-care Sunday today. On Sundays I like to just give myself some extra attention and just take care of all it is from head down to the toes. And today I'm just going to show you guys how I just set some time aside and take care of myself, how my self-care Sunday goes and what I do, so forth. So this morning I woke up a little bit early and I have a nice little lie-in. Didn't get out of bed, but I was up, and I was up just writing some stuff down, thinking about my week ahead, what I want to do this week and how I'm going to do it, and also take everything out of my head and just put it in a book. It's good to do that sometimes, like just to free the mind. I like to do that. So that's what I did this morning. Now I just have like a little candle burning. Let me show you guys. So I am a true lover of candles. So I always have a candle burning, and I just have like this little one here burning. It's really nice. And I have a gorgeous flowers here just chilling. I absolutely love the flowers by my bedside because it just gives me like a different vibe, put me in a different mood, and just make the place super homey. So now I'm going to just head to my kitchen and make some breakfast. I'm really feeling for egg and bacon this morning, so that's what I am going to make just to get something in the system, so I can just start my day pretty much. So let's go. So I just finished having breakfast, and I am going to do like a little face mask. So I'm gonna do the Himalayan charcoal purifying glow mask from the Body Shop. I really love this face mask. It literally, I just feel like it gets the junk out of my skin. So I'm gonna be using this face mask for the first part of the day. Sometimes I like to do 2 face masks, so that's what I might do today. So I'm just going to use this one first. So that is pretty much it. I'm gonna allow this to dry for about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to do my skincare. In the meantime, I'm waiting for this to dry. I'm just gonna listen to some music and just dance around the house, because why not? So the mask has actually been on my face for over 20 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash it off now, and then I am going to do my skincare. So my face is all washed off and feeling super clean. I'm just gonna take like a napkin and just dry my face. Just in case you guys are wondering about the video quality, if it changed, I did have to switch over to my camera because my mobile phone memory is super full. So anyways, I was saying I'm gonna go in with my skincare routine. My skincare routine managed to go down from loads of product to like around 4 products, because I'm trying out a new regimen, which is an acne dark oil regimen. I will be doing a video about it, so I won't talk too much in this Pamper Day video. So once that video is up, you guys will get to know a bit more in depth about my skincare. So ensure you are subscribed to my channel and turn the notification bell on, just so you guys don't miss the video when it's uploaded. So I'm gonna go in with my toner, and I'm just gonna use it to just tone my face. And I've already washed my face and stuff. As you guys see, I had like a face mask on. So this is just the next step from that. Oh my gosh, look at that. I'm next gonna go in with my other treatment and just put this over my face. Just in case you guys are wondering why I'm looking here, I have you in my cupboard and I'm looking through my viewfinder. So I'm using you as a mirror. So that's dry, so I'm gonna go ahead with my moisturizer. And I'm just gonna just moisturize my face. And with my moisturizer, I like to add some oil in my moisturizer. I'm gonna go in with this oil from the Body Shop. And I'm just gonna add like a few drops in my moisturizer. It just gives me that extra moisture that my skin loves, even though I have oily skin, and sometimes that means that my skin needs moisture, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. So even though you have oily skin, you still need to moisturize. So that's what I am doing. Now that I'm moisturized, I'm going to go ahead with my sun cream, and I'm just going to put this over my after my moisturizer. I love to use sun cream because I think it just helps to protect my skin and also helps to prevent my dark spots from getting darker. So I really enjoy using sun cream, and I use this thing every single day, just to ensure that I am preventing anything else from happening to these dark spots, because I'm trying to get rid of them. The last thing I want to do is not use sun cream and they got darker. Just doesn't make any sense. Perfect. So after that, I'm just going to go ahead and apply my lip balm, which is in my room. So I'll get that from my room, apply my lip balm, and this is pretty much it for my skincare routine. My skin is feeling really good, really moisturized, which I am loving. So after this, I think I am going to just chill for the rest of the day. I'm gonna watch a film. Well, I'm gonna watch a show. Currently I am watching New Girl. So really funny show. So that's what I am going to just continue watching for today and just chill. Completed my skincare routine for the morning, for the afternoon, and I'm going to just, normally I like to just catch up on either YouTube or go on Netflix and I'll watch some videos there. My friend there, because she uploaded a video yesterday and I like to watch her videos, so I'm going to catch up on what she's saying in her life updates. Also, if you guys are not subscribed to Erica's channel, go ahead and subscribe. It's Jada Talks. I'll leave it down below or on the screen. So yeah, that's what I am going to be doing for the rest of the afternoon. It's around, say, after 3 now. I literally just got off the road. I popped to the shop really quickly. There's a shop that's right around the corner. I just went to grab some stuff for dinner because what I wanted wasn't here, and I'm going to be preparing like a stir fry. I've never done this before, but when I went to the shop, I went for some sweet potatoes and I saw like a stir fry, like a packet thing. So I'm going to try doing like a seafood stir fry. I've never done this before, but I am going to try. I like trying new things. So this is just one of them ones where I'm gonna try to make this seafood stir fry. I'm literally gonna just wing it, and that's what I'm going to be making for dinner today. Again, it's just after 3, so I think I might just prep the meal from now. And I have a video I need to edit to be posted on Wednesday, so I'm gonna edit that video, and you edit that video and schedule it on YouTube, just so that one is out of the way for the week. I am also going to finish watching my show. Meanwhile, I'm editing this video, and that is pretty much what I'm going to be doing for the next, say, 1 hour or 2, I'll say. So yeah, let me show you the stir fry thing that I got. So this is a stir fry that I got from Sainsbury's. It's a mushroom stir fry, so it has mushroom in it. I'm just gonna add some seafood to this stir fry, so hopefully it's really good for like a Sunday dinner. 4 minutes. I said 2 servings. Maybe should I get 2 packs? Yeah, maybe should I get 2 packs of this? But anyways, I'm gonna see about this stir fry here. I am done cooking dinner, but I am not gonna eat dinner just yet. So I am going to go ahead and just pour myself a glass of wine, and I'm going to run my bath, because I do really love having a bath or a shower before I eat. And today, because it's self-care Sunday, I like to just have a bath and just soak my body and just relax. So that is exactly what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna pour myself a little glass of wine and just enjoy this lovely bath that I'm about to make myself. Lovely. So I'm in my bathroom. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face and apply a next face mask for the night. I am going to opt in for the Nicaragua Coffee Intense Awakening Mask. Yeah, so this one again is from the Body Shop, just like the other one that I used earlier on in the video. And this one makes my skin feel so moisturizing, so I love using this one at night. So I'm going to just go ahead and cleanse my face, and then I'm going ahead and apply that one there. Normally what I like to do, I like to just have my lights off since I have my candles burning. So I'm just going to jump in my bath. Of course, turn my lights off first, jump in my bath, and just relax for around, say, whenever I want to get up. Honestly, sometimes I can spend so long in the bath. I'd love to know how you guys pamper yourself on a Sunday, what you do for your self-care Sundays or your self-care day in general. Comment below, I'd love to know. But for now, this is what I do. It's really chill, nothing over the top. I mean, if I need to wash my hair, then I wash my hair. Of course, today my hair don't need to be washed, so it's not washing. My nails are already done. I've already got like a pedicure or manicure, so I don't need to do that. And of course, on days when I need to do that, then I will do it. So yeah, after this, I am going to have dinner and then just pretty much relax. The same thing that I've been doing all day. So I just got out from the bath, and I'm gonna go ahead. I like to just oil my skin as soon as I get out of the shower or the bath. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use the Moringa dry oil from the Body Shop, and it's this one here. It's a spray dry oil, and it smells so good. So I'm all moisturized, and I went ahead and I put on my PJs, even though it's still very early. I I still like to put something on really comfy, and this is my PJs because it's really comfy. And I do actually like to spray perfume on in the night. I don't care what anyone says, I'm not going anywhere. This is for me, and it makes me smell good and makes me feel good, so I am going to do it. So the perfume that I am going to spray on is In the Love by Giorgio Armani, and I am just going to just spray, and also my hand. It's just something about smelling good that makes me feel good. So if it means to put it on in the night when I'm around no one and I'm going to bed, that's what I am going to do. So after this, my face is completely dry. I was waiting for my face to dry before I get to my skincare. My face is completely dry, so that is exactly what I'm going to do now. So I have to go ahead and pop back into my bathroom and do my skincare routine for the night. So I'm going to show you guys the products that I use and how I do my skincare routine. So I'm going to go ahead and do my nighttime skincare routine, and it's pretty much the same thing as the daytime, but I only change my oil. As I mentioned before, I did having to cut down on my skincare products for like the past month or past weeks. I am using a new skincare regimen, which I will be talking about in another video. So you guys make sure you are subscribed and turn the notification bell on so you are notified when that video is uploaded. So I am going in with my treatment, and I'm just going to apply it to my skin. So now that that is dry on my skin, I'm going to go in with my moisturizer, and it's the one from First Aid Beauty. I really do like this moisturizer, but I'm going to go in with my oil, which I'm using a vitamin E oil, and I'm just going to apply a few drops. This one is overnight serum in oil, and I'm just going to apply a few drops to my moisturizer just to get it extra moisturizing, and just rub it all over my skin. I really like this oil. Like, the moisture that it gives me is just unreal. And that is pretty much it for my nighttime skincare routine. It's around after 6 to 7 now. I'm getting really hungry. I did cook dinner earlier, as you guys might have seen from the clips before this one. I cooked dinner, so I'm gonna go ahead and just have my dinner now because I am really hungry and I don't want to wait until it's too late. So guys, after I finished eating dinner, I was pretty much just chilling for the rest of the night. So now I'm about to have my dessert and just chill again, because that's what we do on Self-Care Sundays. We just take care of ourselves, chill, have some me time. So I'm gonna be having the chocolate fudge brownie from Ben & Jerry's for dessert, and I'm really loving this one lately. So that's what I'm going to have. And I am watching New Girl. That's the series that I'm on at the moment. So I'm going to be watching that just till for the night. I have an early start tomorrow morning. I am getting up 5:30 to go to work. Well, to get ready to go to work for 8 o'clock. And yes, I think this will be also, I am currently just burning a candle as well, the same candle I was burning early on in the video. So that's what I am burning, and I am just going to chill, have some wind down for the night, and just have some well needed me time, same like I've been having early on in this video for the whole day, because why not? It's all about me on Self-Care Sundays, and just taking care of me and showing my body, my skin, everything, just some extra love. So that's what we did today. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you guys. Bye.